What's up, everybody? It has been a while since I vlogged. I've got a lot going on. I shot the 3-day event, which I wasn't allowed to have any camera or anything in there, so I didn't vlog any that day, and those days were like 14, 15-hour days, so I could have vlogged me sleeping and snoring pretty loudly, but only a few of you would like that. So we are going up to, where are we going?
Hogwarts.
Hogwarts. That's where we're going. We're going to meet Brian Chapman. He's going to do some voiceover stuff for us for the Jack Daniels commercial that we shot, that we're still working on finalizing. So hopefully after we get his voiceover done, we will be able to get that done, what, in a week or so?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I'd rather my hands like right in your mirror away.
Oh, I didn't even look. Maybe I did. All right.
Yeah, try to look in the mirror, you see a camera. All right, that's clear.
All right, cool. Yeah, straight. I'm going toward that.
Yeah, that's the reality here. I just hear somebody say they want to challenge me here. When I'm holding a pistol with this many calibers here, with some registration, they just made this shit valid this year. I can't be held accountable for my actions. That's when accidents happen. When 1,000 bullets come at you, something, you and your family, something, mentally ill from Amityville.
Yeah.
There we go.
Making people smile, that's what we want to do.
Mentally ill
From Amityville, because we're mentally ill from
Mentally, yeah, we're mentally ill from somewhere.
she probably just wrecked, but whatever.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está usted?
What's up, man?
Congrats.
I gotta vlog you. Thanks, man. Thanks. I'm assuming you mean with the engagement.
Yeah.
I'm kidding. Gotcha.
Because his dog just died.
Exactly.
Not really.
So we just got here with Brian. Oop, running over trees. It's some school. What kind of school is this?
School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
Yeah, School of Witchcraft. Brian's good at that stuff. Good.
It's live.
Good. We need to film here, man. Looks good. That's pretty cool.
Alright, cool.
We are here in Brian's office to set up the voiceover recording. What sucks is we brought extra SD cards and forgot them all in the truck. So I was going to film while Brian was reading, but now I won't be able to because we don't have an extra SD card.
Some steakhouse and a skeet. Funny teriyaki. Or slow roasted garlic and herb. Vlog, schmlog.
Alright guys, we just left Brian's office. I couldn't really record much because, like I said, I forgot an extra SD card, so we had to use this SD card in the Zoom, but yeah, whatever. Now we are going to meet with Ryan at his studio space slash apartment, I think. I don't know, I'm going to drop him off the red mags and stuff, so check out his space a little bit. Maybe we can use it for something. The school, though, was pretty cool. That would be good for the Doritos thing. That's the one hallway anyway, but they're more of like a high-end, high-class kind of school, I think. So, in other words, they don't want us in there.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Brantley, did you like the circus?
Yeah.
Did you like the elephant?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part? The elephant?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Big elephant. That's